So you can find Rattlesnake Ridge about 18 miles northwest of downtown Little Rock. Lower Knob is a difficult intermediate 1 mile loop and is directional, which is counterclockwise. Some of this trail looked like it had been hand built. It probably leans more toward technical single track more than anything. There's a little bit of climbing here and there on this loop. Some of it can be a little punchy at times. There are quite a few rock gardens out there, as well as some small drops here and there. Some rock ride features, as well as some jumps and some skinnies. They're all alternate lines, so you can ride around them if you don't want to do them. Mountain Boomer is a difficult 1.5 mile trail that also is directional, to be ridden in a counterclockwise direction. There is a little bit of climbing involved in this trail. It's not all downhill. There are some grade reversals out there. This trail has some pretty wild trailside features, all alternate lines. You got gap jumps, drops, one of which is called Farkle Berry, which was over my skill rating. The trail can go from really mild to being really, really rocky at times. This trail probably had more rocky sections than any of the others, at least in my opinion. So this is Farkle Berry. You actually ride up that thing, and it goes on around through a real rocky section and up through this thing, and then over the boulder and on over to another rocky section. And this is an alternate line feature. You don't have to do this. I think I got about 6 miles out of doing all of these trails out here.